Know the genetic sequence in searching your nature, origin, and your genesis. The genetic sequence, DNA, of a man follows the sequence of reproduction. So these genes can be traced from a person who lives to his or her parents, grandparents, and extending hair flowing of his or her grandparents, no matter how long they have lived in this universe. That sequence is the only way that can get you and bring you to the other source of your presence. Then that is the only true path if you allow your mind and understanding to hold the right face. Because when you begin to confuse with a different concept on this, at the beginning of destroying the realization of nature and your true origin. Remember that you can't count down 2 before or without knowing 1. You'll always fail the calculation. But don't forget to keep that in mind, that your origin comes from your grandparents. And if you will like or want to know them, then they can introduce you to their true origins. So that was the first way for us to explain or to recognize ourselves to you that who are the Freemanbase. And now don't forget to keep following us to know the second way that explains us to you or recognizes us to you that who are the Freemanbase. You're always welcome to the land of peace. Freemanbase. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to our channel so as you can be the first one to get the notification about our next video on the next episode. Never miss. You're always welcome. This is Freemanbase.